Is Filmora free forever? Filmora is one of the best known and highest quality video editing programs on the market. The software is known for its efficiency and comprehensive customization options. Many users have tried to use this program for their work and have asked, is Filmora free? Filmora is a paid editing software, but it comes with a free trial that has all the customization options. To find out more, check out our article on Filmo. Part 1. Is Filmora free? No, this is not free software. So how much does Filmora 9 cost? Filmora has a different price for Windows and Mac. The annual plan for Windows costs $39.99 and the life plan costs $69.99. The annual plan for the Mac comes in at $44.99 and the life plan costs the same as Windows. Although Filmora is a paid editing software, it provides a free trial of all its features. It allows you to test almost all of the software's features, but has some limitations. Limitations of free trial films. Before you pay for software, most of us want to know if the software is right for us. The free trial of Filmora with all its features is too good to be true. So let's talk about the limitations of the free trial of Filmora. While it's true that the free trial of movies comes with all the customization options that you get in the paid version, the free version also adds something to the edited videos: watermark. It is not possible to remove and obscure the third part of the video. As for the fact that Filmora pays for free, the only difference is the watermark. A huge watermark that says Filmora is among all the edited videos. The watermark disappears when changed. Part 2. Is it worth buying a filmmaker? Filmora is one of the most popular video editing programs on the market. It is safe to use and has all the options for customizing the video. Let's make sure it's worth buying by identifying features and benefits. Some key features of Filmora. Advanced editing modes. There are many advanced editing modes. You can easily switch between slip adjustment, image adjustment, rate increase, and wrinkle adjustment. Detailed color correction. Color correction involves the use of professional color grooves with automatic correction tools and balance controls. Keyframing. This feature helps you animate every aspect of every effect, video or sound clip in your video. You can change the position, size, coverage and volume. Audio compressor. You will be able to manipulate the dynamic range between the softest and strongest parts of each sound clip and release consistency. Adjust effects. There is a library full of professional class effects that you have access to. Now take a good look at the features. Let's explore the benefits of using Filmora. First, Filmora has a free trial with all the options. Many customization options. Available for Mac and Windows. Easy to use. Many videos to help you learn how to edit videos quickly. Effects can make your videos more engaging and engaging. Part 3. Is Filmora safe? Before purchasing software, you need to make sure that it is safe to use or download the software. But there is no need to worry about that with Wondershare Filmora. This tool is secure. Founded in 2003, Wondershare has produced many award-winning products since then. He has a good foundation. The software has no problems that we are aware of. It's easy to use and offers a professional video editing experience. Part 4. Filmora System Requirements. Filmora is a high-performance video editing software that can only be run on a system that meets its specifications. Here are the requirements of the Filmora system. If you are using Windows, you will need Windows 8 or later to run Filmora and it must be a 64-bit OS. You must use Mac OS X 10.13 or later on your Mac to run Filmora successfully.